Drafting worldwide. Welcome back to Revit Tools, Tips and Tricks. In this video we're just going to add a detail component right here. Actually there's going to be about 3. We're just going to add some blocking to this. So right now we're actually some plates and a rim joist. I have a foundation represented here. I have a floor system here, and I have a stud wall system or stud wall assembly here. So I want to add my sill plate right here. To do that, I can go to my Annotate tab. I can come up to Component, do the pull down, click Detail Component. Now within here, I'm going to have to load the family, and in here I'm going to go back to my US Imperial main category, and in this section there's going to be detail items, and it's going to be broken down these divisions. So I'm going to find wood and plastic, I'm going to find wood framing, and I'm going to do nominal cut section, nominal cut lumber section. I open that, and in this case I'm going to use a 2x8 pressure treated sill. So I scroll down here, I find a 2x8, say OK, and right now it comes in that way vertically, and just to get it the other direction horizontal, I just hit my space bar and it'll flip. So I can keep flipping it around, get it where I want it, and I'll drop that over there, and then I'll just use my align tool to get that into place. So I want this bottom line to be aligned with that one. I want this line to be lined up with that one. So now I have my sill right here. I'm going to do the same thing here very quickly. I go to Annotate, Detail Component, Detail Component. I'm going to load the family, nominal cut section, open. This time I'm going to do a 2x6 right there. Select the 2x6, hit the space bar. I'm going to, and I must have got the 2x8. Yeah, so I have to come up here and actually select 2x6, hit the space bar, drop that into location. Then I'm going to grab one more nominal cut section. This time I'm going to use a 2x10 right here. So I can scroll down through, select 2x10, say OK, come over to my properties panel and actually select the 2x10, and I drop that right here. The next thing is I use my align tool to get that lined up every direction that needs to be aligned, and looks like it's good to go. So now I have these 3 detail items added to this picture very quickly and easily using the Annotate detail components.